Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Arsalan and my name is G100249328 and this is my group 62. And today in this video I will be explaining what we did in our group project. So the first one is in the morning around 6:30 to 8:30. My project was to do counting the travel time of the vehicles, how much time it takes to pass one vehicle from 15 meter. So, and in the afternoon time, my survey was TC RA86, and I was counting motorized vehicle and non-motorized vehicles in the west side of the road, and my location was Jalan Jo Sudharso 1 and 2. Next.
This is Mohammad Banail Faraz Ahmed, and my student name is D100249326, and I am from 24 Civil Batch, and I am also the member of group 62. So we had two projects. One was in the night and the other was in the day. In the day, it was divided into two, in the morning and the evening. Morning from 6:30 to 8:30, I had to count the vehicles coming from the south side moving to the left. It means east. And in the evening, I had to count the vehicles coming from north side and going straight in the way. And in the night, we were supposed to take the measurements of roads, and we have to measure the roads and also make sketches for the areas which were nearby them. And this is all from my side.
Student ID is D100244005. In the morning, I'm on the west side, counting how many motorcycle and unmotorized pass through in the inner lane. And in the afternoon, I calculating travel time for passengers car in the outer lane.
Hello everyone, my name is Muna Akika Fatila. My name is D124979327. In the morning, I was at Jalan Jo Sudharso 2, counting the side friction, counting the traffic that acting like side friction, such as pedestrian, non-motorized vehicle passing or crossing, and etc. And in the afternoon, I did the same from the station 50 to 75.
Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Farhan Qurana. My student number is E10024 and 421. My work is traffic counting. Traffic counting is calculate how many vehicle pass in junction. My setting is TCS Gemblegan, and I'm calculating the vehicle at 7 o'clock until 9:30 o'clock, and I calculating how many car, how many bikes, and how many bicycle passing the junction. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Subhan Harian Syamursyed. My ID number D100204218. In there, I want to tell about the travel time. Travel time is the total duration required to travel from one point to another. How to determine the travel time? Step 1, we can observe the vehicle past the point A or start line. We can start the stopwatch, and then the vehicle past the point B or finish line. We can stop the stopwatch, and then we write the time to in the form. And then I want to explain the traffic counting intersection. Traffic counting intersection is the collection of data on the volume and characteristic of vehicle movement, such as the number and direction of turns at road intersections during a certain period of time. So how to determine the traffic counting intersection? To determine the traffic counting intersection, you can use manual or automatic methods, including manual counting by observe, and then automatic sensors like pneumatic tubes or radar, and video or camera-based system.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Ihsan Syahir Husnasin Raya and my student number G100214192. And right now I'm gonna explain about traffic counting and travel time in the traffic engineering assignment R lab work. For the first part, I'm gonna explain about traffic counting. That this observation consists of counting or calculating vehicles that pass through intersection or a section of a road network system. We calculate by some method like manually using automatic or semi-automatic method. Like in this practicum, we use like manually method by calculating vehicle pass by and take notes on the form of how many vehicles that pass through the intersection or section. In this practicum, I'm calculating the intersection 1, so I'm just calculating vehicle that pass through intersection during the certain time. In this case, on the peak hours in the morning, like from 6:30 to 9 a.m. That's all. Continuing the second part, I'm taking the travel time in this practicum. Travel time is calculating or determining the travel time of vehicle that pass through A point to B point. The way to calculate it is when a vehicle passes through the A or start point, we start the stopwatch, and when the stopwatch start to ticking, the vehicle pass through to the P point or the finish point, we stop the stopwatch. And when there's a period of how many seconds the vehicle passed from A to B point, we take notes on the form and then we analyze it after for many vehicles that pass through on the peak hour, same as the traffic counting we do on the peak hour. But for this practicum, I'm taking the evening or the afternoon peak hour, so it's around 4 until 6 p.m. And for this section, I'm taking some bigger vehicle, unless something like trucks, L or travel, something like that. That's all I guess. Thank you. That's all.
Thank you so much for watching our video.